This is a drone. Time is almost 4 o'clock. This is a drone surrounding my house. Okay. Brought to you by the Obama-Biden team. And this is a real nasty one right here. This is a drone. Brought to you by the lizards of the planet. The reptilians that eat human. Satanic little fuckers. But this is right around my house. These are satanic little fuckers that put this shit around my house. Because they'd like to torture me. These are directed energy weapons. Right here. These motherfuckers need to be blown up. So I got one here. There's one way up here in the sky. This guy right here. This is another one. And then way out here is another motherfucking drone. From the fucking elite. But it's all tied to the local cops too. See, the local cops report into the fucking elite. The Swiss Templar elite. The Red House and the White House. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to fill Obama and Joe Biden and their little toy. Here it is. This is the Human Cooking Project. Into their alien god. Just sits there, it parks right there. This is it. See the cube? This is what strikes humanity. This shit needs to be blown up. Plain and simple. Just needs to be blown up out of the sky. Watch trillions of dollars evaporate. Yeah, this is it. These are motherfucking drones. And what they do is they triangulate around your house, and then your neighbor has these LED lights. But what they do is they use these LED lights to attack your house. That's why you don't have lead paint anymore. They got rid of lead paint for a reason. So they could sit there and cook you in the home. That's why they made all those cookie wire homes. A surplus of housing, right? Yeah, so they could build those homes on the cheap and put these fucking drones up and cook your ass. Think about it. Construction. It's a quick buck. Because if your home is made out of chicken wire, well, the elite can just send in their Death Star, which is this thing, and cook your ass. But this is part of the Obama-Biden drone deal. Yeah, real nasty motherfucking military tied to the fucking cops. Plantier Technologies. Right here. This is how they do their Project Bluebeam. Alien invasion or whatever they're gonna do. But this is mostly how they track people. Because when you die, the Masons have a death certificate. They already know you're dead due to Black Ops. Black Ops knows your heart rate. So when you die, you're gone, right? You go to the 4th and 5th dimension, you go meet Lucifer, and then you move on. Because I told you who runs the 4th and the 5th dimension. It's Lucifer. And then they try to sucker you to recycle your soul. And then that's when you tell Lucifer to go pound sand. You've had your education on him.